Thanks very much for the invite to your stand here at EMO 2019, and it's a European launch of the new GL range. Why have you done this? Why have you brought it to the market?
Yeah, so we are very happy, Joe. So this is really our new launch from the GL new lines, and we have done because we hear the voice of the customers, and our local engineers have done this great product.
Since the last version, Romi decided to remake the entire machine. So from the casting, all the components, the electronics, everything is brand new. Yes, with this new generation, Romi decided to do something that is more modular, so we can offer now for the customer much more possibilities, because in the same machine we have many different configurations. So with the same casting, we can put a machine that's only turning, or a machine with milling, Y-axis, sub-spindle. With the same casting, we can put a bigger swing or smaller. So we really now can offer the machine that fits exactly the customer needs.
But the previous range was well sold across Europe, so
Yeah.
is it just to increase the range, or is it a better machine?
No, it's really a better machine. So you are right. So the less products are really recognized from our customers, but we believe that we could do more. So then we have a faster machine, we have a more technology machine, we have a new control that are absolutely linked with the Industry 4.0. So and this, we are really sure that we are going to deliver much better things for our customer, and we are happy with that.
And the Romi brand across Europe, in fact, the Romi brand globally, it's growing by the day, it's growing by the year, and surely this can only help that.
Yes, this is in our strategy. The GL line is one very important in our portfolio in terms of sales. We are selling this machine globally in US, Mexico, Italy, Spain, France, here in Germany and all, and of course the UK. And the customers are really happy, and so we got what we expect, that is not only to sell one more machine, but we are here to make our branding as we have constructed during the last 90 years almost in Brazil, and yeah, we are succeeding with that. Yeah, we are happy.